Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue when your external monitor isn't detected by your MacBook Pro M5. So there might be 4 reasons for this to happen. The first reason is software. Therefore, the monitor isn't adjusted to display properly along with your MacBook. The second reason is the connectivity. So the cables that you are using, like HDMI, USB cables, DisplayPort. I'm sorry, you can use USB for transmitting, for projecting your MacBook's image, and the ports, which is the third issue possible. So the ports of your MacBook. And now the fourth issue is obviously the monitor. Now let's start with the software. So to check whether the projection is adjusted properly, go to the Apple logo, go to the system settings, then select displays, and here where your display, if your display is available here, that means that your device is actually detecting it. And what you have to do is simply select the proper projection type for the external display, which can be either an extension or mirroring. So extension will make your external display an extension of your laptop, so like the second monitor for your laptop, and mirroring will basically copy the image from your MacBook and show it on your external monitor. The next thing that I want you to check is whether you are using your monitor is plugged into the power source. And make sure that your monitor is being powered and it's active. And after that, let's check out the connections. So for connection, we're gonna have to use either an HDMI cable, which is one of the most convenient options since your laptop has a dedicated port on the right edge of it, where you have to plug in the HDMI cable, and the other side of the cable will go into your monitor. And check whether or not you are using the appropriate HDMI cable. Check whether it has any damages. You may need to actually upgrade to a HDMI cable with a higher transmission speed, because maybe your monitor has a quality that your cable simply cannot support. You can also use the HDMI cable with with a hub like this that connects to your USB-C port on your MacBook and has the HDMI port in itself, to which the HDMI cable can be connected, or it can be a DisplayPort too, if you'd like, or you can use a direct DisplayPort to USB-C. And if the cables check out, then we also have to check the ports. Now, to check the ports and their functionality, shut down your computer, confirm. Then, after your device is turned off, you're gonna have to enter the diagnostics menu. And to do that, you're gonna have to hold down the power button, and then at some point you will see continue holding for startup options. And if you continue holding, you will see loading startup options, and at this point you can release the power button and just wait for the startup options to appear on your screen. And now at this point we're gonna have to hold down the command and the combination of keys to open diagnostics menu. Keep holding both of these keys until the device's screen shuts down. After that, we're gonna have to wait for the diagnostics menu to appear on the screen. After that, we're gonna have to click continue, then connect to a Wi-Fi network. Use the one that you primarily use so that you don't have to re-enter the password to it, and click continue. Then agree to diagnostics and repair privacy policy, and then never mind this window. Click continue and wait for the diagnostics options to appear. Then on the following window, we're gonna have to select Mac Resource Inspector. So click the play icon next to Mac Resource Inspector and then wait for up to 7 minutes of the diagnostics process. Okay, and after that, what we want to check here is the HDMI. If you're using HDMI port, if it checks out, if you see the green circle, that's a good sign. That means that your HDMI is working properly. And also the Thunderbolt, if you're using Thunderbolt, if you're using USB-C. So here we have the tests for each Thunderbolt you have on your computer, and if all of them check out, then there is no port issue, and then therefore the issue is most probably with either the cables or the external monitor that you're trying to connect to. So yeah, if you see that a yellow triangle next to one of the Thunderbolts, next to the Thunderbolt that you're using, then try using a different one. And that's pretty much it. Now to exit this menu, navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen, select Restart, and wait until your device is restarted. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.